Summer is officially here, and it is time for a very summer ready garment. Yes, this garment is the Cottonwood Tunic Top and Tee by Canyon Moon Studios. This pattern comes in two size ranges. The first one is the Canyon, which is sizes A through H. And then you have your Moon sizes, which is more like your plus size range, which is F through O. So 3 of the sizes do overlap, F, G, and H. You just have to look at the measurements in the chart and decide which one would fit you best. Now for me, going by these sizings in the chart, I am anywhere between a size C and a D, which has a chest size of 36 for the C and 38 for the D. But when I looked at the finished garment measurements, there is about a 10-inch ease for this top. Now, I was asked to test this pattern and I am testing the crop. Now, for me, 10 inches is a lot of ease. So I did go ahead and make the size A in the crop top. Now, I enjoyed making this pattern. It was very easy to put together. Your front, your back, your armhole bands, and your neckband. And just like most tops, the construction is pretty much the same. The neckband, it gives you a little different option, something that I've never done before, but it does say that you can use whatever method you are comfortable with. And that's what I did. Now this pattern is designed for a short-waisted person with a height of 5 feet 7 inches. I did shorten it by the full 8 inches because I am short-waisted, but I am not 5'7". I'm only 4'11", so I wanted to make sure that it hit me properly. The length is designed to meet the waistline of a pair of high-waisted jeans, and I actually tried this on with a high-waisted skirt, and it was perfect. When I'll wear it, I'm not sure, but like I said, summer is here, so there are plenty of events coming up, and I'll get a chance to wear it. It doesn't show my midriff, so I'm fine with that. I didn't make any other changes to the pattern other than the length. I would make it again. I would recommend it for a beginner because it is a simple pattern. It's only 4 pattern pieces and it's easy. I was excited when I was asked to test this pattern because you all know that I am working on getting some basics for my wardrobe. And so when I was selected, I was very happy and very pleased. I did go ahead and get on this right away. I cut it all out one day and I started sewing, and then I finished it the next day. So this is pretty simple and pretty easy. Didn't take long at all. I think it took me like maybe 25 minutes to lay my fabric out and cut everything, and then maybe another hour and a half to press and sew everything and make it all neat. Then I did take pictures for you, which I will share. The instructions are easy to follow, and I would gladly test another pattern anytime. I think that this is by far the best pattern test that I have done in regards to illustration and the ease of the directions. Anyone could follow this, even if you're just starting out. So I do recommend that you pick up the Cottonwood Tee Crop and Tunic Pattern by Cottonwood Studio. You can find them on Instagram as well. I'm going to pop in some pictures here for you. And I hope you've enjoyed this video and that you've decided to subscribe for more content like this. In the meantime, see it, make it, slay it. And as always, keep sewing.